So guys, as you saw, there's a car show here. The cars look so freaking insane. There's more than these cars. But first of all, what's up guys? Today we have a car show. Guys, look at the engine. I love the first car here. This one is insane, and even this one. The cars you saw first are just normal cars. Look at that one, bro. That car is so freaking insane. It's just a normal classic car. I'm not gonna show you this one. The number of the car. Look at that bad boy. Oh my god. Guys, look at that engine. Look at this classic, baby. Just gonna show you here the classic Dubai, but I'm not gonna show you the number. I'm gonna cut in the editing. Let's see it in the back. Oh my god! Look at that. There's a normal car there. Look at this one. But this one, oh my god, normal Nissan. But look at the freaking. They customized. Oh, they're so good. Oh, this car is on. That's a normal car. I see it every day in the road. But look at that bad boy. Oh my god. This is also another one, but another customized one. Oh my god, the engine. The interior. Holy. That's another same car of that one. So I'm not gonna picture that. Classic car. Mini Cooper. Wait, this is Mini Cooper, right? Oh my god. This is not a Mini Cooper. That's a Volkswagen. Who a Mini Cooper? Oh my god, did they hit each other. Look how much. Sisters. Let's see the back. It feels GTA, bro. Oh my god. Look at that one, bro. Look what they're doing with the car, that one, the classic one. Putting it down and up. She just freaking scared the heck out of me. They're putting it up and down. Wait, there's no one inside though. My favorite color is the interior of it. Guys, look at that car. Mitsubishi or what? I forgot the name. Look at that, blue fire. Even look, oh my god. She's lonely. Doesn't have friends. Look at that. Lexus. This, oh my god, hacker car? Don't hack me, please. Look at that. Oh, that's a cool car. Look at the color, bro. The interior looks sick. Holy, oh my god, I forgot. This one, my favorite color. And look at it. Also the windows. Oh my goodness, that thing's fire. These are crazy. Over here, it's crazy. I don't know how. Is that like every day? No, I every day come here. Not every day, every week. That car is amazing. That's the same, but without customized like this one. Oh no! Oh my god! How the fuck do they? How the heck do they? How they drive this shit? Imagine like someone like just. I don't want to even trim it. So I was just taking pictures. These cars are sick, bro. Look at that car with my dad, bro. Holy. That. Oh my god, the customized. Look at that car. That's fire. Look at the other red. Oh my god, my favorite color. These cars are the best right now. These two, they're same. But the customized. Holy. Oh no, this car is something else with this. Yeah, even this. This is the same as we saw. Oh, orange. My small uncle need to see this car. Oh hell no, the fire, bro! Look at Mr. Ben's car, but customized. Oh my god, even Mr. Ben's car. Wait, the teddy bear. Oh my god, Mr. Ben. This car is sick. Oh my god. That one. Wait. That's the. Oh, hell no, that's fire. I don't know why there's only one light, but that's weird. The interior looks sick. Ooh, the customized. All of the cars here are customized. Like, look at this one. Wait, is that Lexus? Oh my god, that car is sick. A classic car. Holy. This. Look, they have their mini baby little motorcycle. But this car is looking sick. And this, that's more. Oh hell no. Oh hell no. Oh nah hell. That is sick. That is sick. Look at the customized guy. Look at that infinity. Holy. Its sister? Holy my god. These cars are looking so sick. Oh my god, my eyes are burning because of them. Look at that. Holy. It's like a shark or something. Wait, this is looking good. Yeah, it's a BMW. That's another level. This is another level. It's Chinese! Ching Chong! It came all the way from Chinese to here? Hell no. Classic car. Look at that. Oh my, customized. It's a normal car. This one, the customized. What the hell? Is that legal to drive? That's sick. That's so sick. Aww. Why? Haram, the car is dead. Wait. Classic car. That's a good car. Another customized car. That's a car. Everybody knows this is a car. Actually on Mercedes, another Lexus. This is a customized car, Lexus, I think. That's a pickup car. That's in a red carpet, and look at it. That thing is sick. Look at the wheels, bro. How do they drive these? Oh yeah, the thing that scares me is when they put it up. It's so freaking scary. That's sick. Luxus. This one, oh my, customized. Oh my, customized. Look. Like these things, how are they cars? These are. These are angels. The ghost car. Oh my god. This pickup truck. This is not anymore a pickup truck. This is That's something scary. Oh my! What in God's name is that car? What in God's name is that car? Explain this. Does that even exist? Oh my, customize. Oh my, customize. It came from war, the first war they did in the life. Oh, the customize. Oh my, customize.
Watch it, turn it, leave it, stop, format
Look
it.
at that. Look at that. Give me that car. Ooh. They have red, blue, but Avatar. The smell is bad. Oh my green. Oh my green. Look at the motorcycle, guys. Oh my. Oh my. Oh my, bro. Chill, chill. Jeep. Look at the Jeep.
Got yourself, and I know you like, so come on, push it on. Drop it low and break me off. No, she doesn't
Oh
mind.
my.
She doesn't mind.
These cars, I don't think they exist. What is that?
Pull you close to me, be my remedy. Gotta admit that I crave a sympathy. Try me, come on, just give me a chance to make you fall for me.
No! Look at that fire car. That's the best. That's the best of all. That's the best of all. Look at that. That's even the best. Oh my heart. Oh my god. A freaking best motorcycle in my life, I saw. Oh my. I pressed the wrong thing and my face looked like this. Oh my god. Oh my. Why? This car is so good. I need 1,000,000 likes for that, bro. I need more subscribers for this. So we have the last cars. These both are the last cars we're gonna see. This is the coolest one. This one, it's kind of dead. Yeah, I don't want to say it, but it's kind of ugly. So guys, that's all of the cars we saw for today. These cars, they were fire. Yeah, the normal cars, not customized, but they are cool, like that thing. I just show you it at normal video page like that. But the customized one, we need to do our best. That's all. How many cars are there? So guys, if you forgot to see her, yeah. And that support, my channel is growing so much. Yeah, so that's it. I need likes, my baby. And share this video for all of your families and friends. Turn on notification. And peace out and stay safe. Like and subscribe. Thank you for the support. Peace out and stay safe. And don't forget to visit Dubai Parks to see these cars. I don't know if this is only today. I'm confused. So, peace out and stay safe. Eat milk. Drink milk before you watch this video.